In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening voice recorder app and tapping on those three dots at the top right corner. Now hit settings and adjust all of those however you want to before recording. When you're ready, go back. Now to start, tap on this red button at the bottom. If you wish to pause or unpause your recording, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, click on Bookmark over here. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and click on Play button on the left. And to end it and save it on the square one on the right. Now you can name your recording however you want to. And select Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it though, you need to hold it instead. Select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!